Be cautious of folk prescriptions.
Huh?
Lila, time to check your blood sugar.
Do it!
Blood sugar level is normal with minimal fluctuation. HbA1c is normal. Genius glucose controller.
Oh yeah, not bad. I'm pretty awesome.
Don't be so proud. You still need to get your shot on time.
Another shot.
My dear, you don't need a shot. We got the master prescribed magic medicine.
Oh right, I can just drink that medicine.
That's right. Drink it while it's still warm.
Wait, Grandma. Herbs with unknown ingredients can be dangerous. Better not to drink.
Nonsense. This is a medicine prescribed by a master to cure diabetes.
The best treatment for type 1 diabetes is to inject insulin, not to drink herbs. Why don't you let me test it to make a final conclusion? Insulin, 0. Active pharmaceutical ingredients, 0. Grandma, this medicine is fake.
Impossible. Why would the master lie to me? You just said Lila is a genius glucose controller. That's all because of this magic medicine.
I'm using less and less insulin lately. No shot yesterday. Just drink the medicine, and my blood sugar level is normal.
Controlling your blood sugar level without insulin? Magical indeed.
Maybe I'm already cured?
There are currently no drugs that can completely replace insulin for type 1 diabetics.
Well, the blood sugar cannot lie. With results like these, he's probably cured.
Grandma, why not let me do a full analysis of Lila?
All right, you'll see how magical the master's medicine really is.
Collecting data, analyzing, recalculating, conclusion. You are in the honeymoon phase.
I'm not even in love. How could I be in honeymoon?
Many patients will suddenly find that their blood glucose levels are improving after a treatment period, even when their insulin dosage is dramatically reduced. The blood glucose can be maintained in normal range. It's hard not to wonder if their diabetes has been cured.
Just like Lila now?
The honeymoon phase may last for a few weeks, or even for years. After the honeymoon phase is over, the patient still needs insulin therapy.
Huh? Is there really such a thing? Could it be wrong?
Although many researchers are working to cure type 1 diabetes, such as stem cell therapy or pancreatic islet transplantation, type 1 diabetes cannot be cured yet.
Looks like I still need the shots.
Insulin isn't poisonous. It's a hormone that the human body naturally produces. It is just that you can't secrete insulin, so you have to inject it. Insulin injection is the best way to treat type 1 diabetes.
Anyway, you are not the one who takes the shot.
Health is priority. A little shot is nothing.
Oh my, I almost got in the way.
To reduce the risk of complications in the future, you have to stay vigilant and maintain a good lifestyle. Remember to follow a balanced diet, stay physically active, and continue to monitor blood sugar levels.